Welcome to CurveNova 2. Please like, subscribe, and share if you're new to the channel. Today we explore the remarkable journey of Alyssa Wilberg, widely known as Becky Crocker, a curvy model, bold creator, and influential voice redefining body confidence across social media. Born and raised in the United States, Alyssa grew up in a Mormon household and spent her early years between California and Utah before later moving to Texas. Long before entering the world of modeling, she trained and worked as an EMT, building a foundation in service, discipline, and high-pressure decision-making. Her transition from emergency work to digital influence reflects both resilience and reinvention. Alyssa's rise began when she introduced the memorable persona Becky Crocker and started posting confident, fashion-forward, and expressive content online. Her bold photo shoots, candid lifestyle updates, and unfiltered self-expression quickly attracted attention. Today, her main Instagram account, Becky Crocker TV, has over 600,000 followers, supported by strong engagement. She also maintains a secondary page, Becky Crocker Reels, where she focuses on video content. What sets Alyssa apart is her openness. Alongside glamour and style, she speaks honestly about body image, self-worth, mental health, and personal growth. Her voice is relatable, empowering, and deeply human. She has built a brand grounded in confidence and authenticity. Her career now blends modeling, brand partnerships, digital influence, and adult-oriented subscription platforms, allowing her to monetize her image in multiple ways. Influencer analytics estimate her Instagram earnings between $4,900 and $6,800 per month, reflecting both reach and niche demand. Her aesthetic is vibrant, bold, and expressive, with captions that mirror her wit and personality. From her structured religious upbringing to her evolution as Becky Crocker, Alyssa Wilberg's journey is one of transformation and self-definition. She stands among the growing wave of curvy influencers, reshaping beauty standards and encouraging women everywhere to embrace themselves without apology. Thank you for watching CurveNova 2, where confidence meets curves.